got, Josh?
Tristan's EM1 is a K-swap.
All right, here goes a cold start. Like this, let's do a little before and after. Tristan's getting ready to bring this back to life. It's pretty good on the hood, but you can see it definitely needs some love here and there. Little by little, we'll get there. No more EM1. Nah. Big boy cars. This unit, single turbo, built 4-valve, 4.6 car. Termy, along with this one, twin turbo car, single turbo car. Crazy. Two Termies though, single turbo, twin turbo. This is it before. You guys have already seen it. See that haziness in there. I'm gonna try to get it out. The wings gonna have to get repainted. Yeah, I noticed the clear coat on that going. It's plastic. Yeah. It's all right though. If we can get away with just that, that's a win, bro. And right here, this. Oh my gosh. You can sand the whole car with just this piece of metal. Saying how much sand's in the front. I would help you, bro, but you're the expert. You know, I'm just gonna get in the way. You know, I don't even wash my car anyways. I can tell. So the car's getting wheeled. All right, Pops. The car is getting wheeled. Tristan is doing some good stuff. As you can see, Tristan doing his magic. Look at Pops right there. Bringing it back. So we got some finish on this side. And then you can kind of see how it's looking right now. It was looking a little bit like this. Pretty bad, pretty dull, but we're getting some finish back. Stay tuned. Before, after, mirror, finish.
That's all fitted with
Man.
all the.
That is crazy. Coming right back.
It's already set up.
Good stuff, Tristan.
For detailing, it has the tank.
On top of the Termies, Tristan also has this beautiful example of a 5.0 notch. Beautiful, absolutely outstanding. Pro Charge car. This is their little gem. Beautiful. Mustangs went from Hondas to Mustangs. Stay tuned to see what happens with these, man. As one door is already done, just got a little bit of over wax on it. Tristan's starting on the next one. Tristan's working his magic because this thing is looking great. Ooh, it's starting to come back on that fender. It was looking like this. Now it's looking there. He's gonna hit it again. He said first step. He says there's multiple. Stay tuned. Tristan.
Three step. The whole car.
My dog up, he works for $15.99.
$15.99 an hour.
1,500.
I'll show you what we're working with. You'll see clear fog all the way up. So you see this side, right? See the roof, and then you see what Tristan's working. It's like two different cars. It's like Two-Face from Batman. You can kind of tell. Not done with this one yet, but boom, 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 gloss. This thing is looking fantastic. So he's gonna be hitting these spots and getting to it, but he's addressing the bad ones first.
It's like putting makeup on a ugly girl.
Exactly. But this girl has what counts on the inside. One thing I also want to say about this car is my grandpa bought it new in 2014. This car has never gotten a detail like this. Only ever been washed, never been buffed, never been clayed, never nothing. So this is just, you know, 14 plus years of dirt, grime, scum, and everything else that's on the car, and Tristan's taking it away. Fender is done. Doors looking great. Glass looking fantastic. Oh. Tristan's working his magic, has now moved on to the trunk. But man, this side of the car is looking good, looking new. And the trunk is coming out. The wing can't be saved.
No,
But
is this wing on by bolts or is it?
I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know.
bolt and glue.
But that
It's
trunk is
factory.
coming out
Cause it's
fantastic.
this one little freaking lip that I
Man.
wanna get.
Yeah, the wing's hiding that little line, but we're gonna see. It's coming out great. Trunk, roof, everything is looking good on the car. All right.
Can't get it back.
And almost the finished product. This thing is looking crazy. Tristan got to turn me out. Things been sitting nice for him. Turn me too. But man, this thing right here is looking fantastic. Tristan did a crazy job. You can tell everything. Beautiful. Like a wheel. This car is right under 1,000 to the wheel, and that's probably the slowest car here out of all the built cars. 720 to the wheel.
No, turn it around. Turn it around.
Let's see. Tristan, say what's up to YouTube, man.
What's up, man?
Thank you again, bro.
Always.
Appreciate that.
Tristan is tired.
Ray.
Magic on this thing, Penny.
Wow, look at this. Josh. Wow. What? Yeah, that clear coat was meant. Look at the roof.
Look at this thing, Mom.
My goodness, man.
Yeah, crazy.
Now it
right?
looks good.
Brand new.
Only thing that didn't come back was the wing, because the paint was fading on the wing. This is the only thing that didn't come back, because the wing was already fading. Everything is good on this car.
Amazing, Tristan. Amazing.
Did your dad like it?
He didn't like it at first.
He didn't?
Did he see it when he got done with it?
Yeah.
Man, I cannot believe the difference in like how this matches now. Car's got a nice flake to it. Look at the headlights. Hey, how are you? Thank you.
This lake is nice.
Yeah, beautiful. Wow. Oh, even the tips
It's just
are
a little
done.
bit of surface for us.
Brand new. Turn it off, Manny. Turn it off.
Oh, what am I doing?
Yeah, they thought he had the walk away. We got a Hunter pulled up here with the enemy. The Mustang 5.0.
Hey, Dad, restart it. He's get the leaves out there.
Oh, okay. We got Hunter here with the enemy, the Mustang 5.0. This thing's awesome. Steeda wheels. Did you put BCs on this? Hunter?
They're IBAC.
Ibach, yeah. Cool. This thing's awesome, man. Love this color. 2016. Beautiful, man. Stick shift car.
You pay too much.
We are here with the infamous Hunter in his S550. Sounds great.
Just a 3-inch catback. It's like perfect.
Yeah. The Coyotes just have such a distinct sound, man. And there she sits, already been rained on. Man, shame to just put it back under the cover. Definitely worthy of being in the garage now. The boy's got a lot of stuff to get out of there before that can happen. The ZR1 is tucked up nice and comfortable in the garage. And you can see why the SS is not beside it. We've got a bunch of Honda motors, and the boy's got a giant shop. that this stuff can all be at. I'm up here with Manny at the boys' shop. Unfortunately, it's a sad day. We got to get rid of the Benz. Hey, welcome. Welcome to the organized mess. I mean, we know where everything is. Oh yeah. Lots of cool stuff to look at. It's a working shop, man. Check out Josh's EG. Yeah. It's a little work in progress. And there you go. Yeah. And he's got the JDM front peggy. Still working on that. Lots of cool stuff in here. So what are you grabbing? You're grabbing the wheels for the Benz?
Yeah. Here, put this on video.
What's that?
If you know what it is, put it in the comments.
Oh, man, he's testing y'all. What's it out of?
What did I say that?
Let me focus. Cool. What's that out of? Josh has his quad over here.
You're about the K20 Z3 transmission, LSD.
Oh, yeah.
If you guys want to learn how you tell if there's LSD or not, always look in the diff. If you don't see a bar and it goes straight through, it's LSD.
See that? Manny, you guys got a lot of room in here because of how tall the ceilings are and everything.
I was telling Josh it would be kind of cool if we built like a loft. Like
Yeah, absolutely.
Like this way.
Just have a little place where you could perch up there and chill and look down at the cars.
But you guys see
Not
what
a bad
we've been
shop.
up to.
Look at the garage door, man. It's massive.
Big bay door.
Yeah, big bay door. Cool.
You see what we've been up to.
Yeah, been doing a lot. Just haven't been doing a lot on camera. This is a K.
Yeah, K24A. So JDM.
How many Ks do you guys have? 3?
Two. Couple B series. Got a B series block right there.
Yeah, neat stuff, man. Nope. We're going in different directions. You guys are keeping the JDM stuff, but we got an 86 at Benz.
Yeah.
Manny's getting my E55 anyway, so doesn't
Never
matter.
even got.
Wow, look at that. Man.
Never got to put it on, but it's still perfect.
Yeah, stinks. This is where the garage in Ghost Trucker Garage comes from. The actual garage. As for this, Manny's already started disassembling the Benz. It's a shame, but it's got to go. The motor is blown. Comes with a cool 5.0, but it's knocking. So he doesn't want to put the money into it, and I don't blame him. He's going to take his AMG kit off of here, the AMG wheels, anything that he wants to keep, because we have the E55. What do you need an E500 for? We got some future plans for upcoming episodes. Josh is getting the BMW, so he's got to bring that to the shop, finish working on it. We already did the clutch way back when and put new AC in it, so it just needs a new oil pan gasket, which involves dropping the entire subframe. Real smart BMW. As for the E55, it's up to snuff, man. It's perfection. I spent quite a bit of money and everything works. This thing spoils you. It needs absolutely no maintenance. The little yellow Rado moved quite a bit of bins over to my new storage unit. That thing's still coming in handy. Manny really doesn't want the black truck shown yet. He's not done. Tristan's got one of the coolest whips out of all of us. Nice Acura. You can get a sneak peek on. This is for our 15-inch wheel conversion. Put a set of drag slicks on the back.